Okay, Sherman here, and today is Wednesday. Wednesday, it's 10:30 p.m. Singapore time. So, uh, kind of in the mood to do a video, especially after watching some crypto videos about Doge and Ethereum, Bitcoin. So, Cardano was interesting. So I'm looking at it now, and it just suddenly burst up. About I think last week or so, it actually surpassed Dogecoin. So okay, interesting. Well, let's go look at Doge first. So um, okay, let me look at Doge. Let's see what it's doing. It's just more like a chill session. Um, chill session. Yeah. So Doge did. I mean, the Dodge was most certainly gonna go up actually when it was at this level. So it was always gonna go up, and good trading basically. People, it's a good one. So at this point in time, when Dodge was creeping down, this upside was gonna come. So if you just check on, let me go check on. So let's see, look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also, let me put it around 4 hours. Put it on the 4 time frame. See. So if you cross reference Bitcoin together with Doge, let me just move the symbol. So let's go Doge this way, and you just check them out. So when price came down from here to there, can I sync this? Let me see. Oh no, I can't. Okay, never mind. So if you're gonna compare this, so you compare this to that. See that this down followed by an upward move on Doge. So because of that, since I expected this to come, and usually, well, when Bitcoin moves, everything moves, right? Because of the correlation. So Bitcoin affects everything, and that was why there was this chart here that I put out here. So this some good money. So Bitcoin bull relief, because everyone was saying about how Bitcoin was going down, but you don't have to worry about what they say. Reporters from even Elon Musk, like I said, even Elon Musk when he was plugging it on SNL, it still collapsed. Right, that's why this chart was done. So boom, see, it's moving up, just follows the arrow. So um, yeah, this is a live chart over here. So Bitcoin, Doge up. Now that it's gone up, the interesting thing is where is this gonna go, right? Um, See, there are a few things that he can do. A few things that he can do actually. Of course, this one move. I'm looking at it. So breaking this top, actually, it's okay to take profit once it's broken this high. Not only has it broken this high, it's broken this high too. You see, this move can mark the completion actually. If this wants to go down at any time, it can do that and even break this low. So what I hope for, or what I actually want, is actually for this to go higher. Maybe up to around this level would be nice. 0.5, 0.55, say about here. The very dangerous thing about this move down is this down, a sharp move up, followed by that. See, strength here that was quickly disposed of, and this gives me a great worry of that. This kind of ending moves that they can't break this law. Yeah, of course, when this happens, then those people who are not who don't like crypto, or maybe have not made a fortune in crypto, but you're gonna say, "Yeah, I told you so, I told you so," and then of course those who are in the know, is good opportunity to buy low and sell high. So I actually want to. The buy was good, but actually, but once it's moving up, actually now I want this to go up some more, but I don't want this move to go. This move should not go. I don't want this move. This move could happen, but not what I want. What I want is not it's not support resistance. It's not wave theory. It's not time factor swing. Well, it's a bit of time factor swing because if this comes down to the low here, very good time factor. If this is a big correction, even better because if we time it well and we buy low, sell high, oh, this is going to be huge profits. So, but don't be deceived that this can also go. Unfortunately, uh, but the easy pickings for this to go up because this was easy to see. Uh, and then after that, we want this to come down. I don't really want a short sell Dodge. I don't really want to short sell this, but I do want to buy it to the upside. Right. So Bitcoin, same thing for Bitcoin over here. You see, yeah. If Bitcoin goes up to here and because the correlation this goes up, there's no. I don't think. Well, my view, I don't think it's going to keep it too far because there's always this danger. It's ever present, and this will kill off most people when it comes down to 25,000. Then, oh boy, people will start reporting in the news again about how what a scam it is. Well, that's a good place to buy. Force the people out, force those early adopters off the market. So again, what's this called? I call it profit theory. The profit theory is a theory of stopping people out who are the early buys, force them to sell it at the lows, and then take over their positions, right? Um, so that's profit theory. So moves like that, force people out of the positions, push it up, think it's gonna go, nah, come back, take them out again. So yeah, I hope that happens because then it's gonna be easy money based off profit theory. Um, it would also correlate well with Bitcoin movement with a very simple 5 way to downside. That would be quite nice. That would be quite nice. I hope this happens. I hope this happens. Yeah, I hope this happens. The it's about there. It's about that height. Yeah, it's about that height here. Yeah. What would be disruptive is what would be disruptive is if this one just simply shoots up higher. Then this might be all the correction, and because if this all the correction, that means this move, if it just breaks up like this up is still not good. It needs to come back down like this, something like that. Yeah, this is good. It may come like so. All this can be upside. All this can be upside. Unfortunately, even if let's say you see something really sharp like this down, let's say this one just happens to shoot down really sharp like this, down like this, right? But this one could still crawl up and break again. So don't be mistaken by a push down. A push down, a sharp one, doesn't always mean a sharp correction and then down again, right? So for those who don't really want that, it doesn't mean that, right? Don't buy into the head and shoulders theory. That has its failure rate as well. But you must understand that that Bitcoin is still in the uptrend, right? Regardless of what they say. On a very high time frame, it's all up, right? Sharp move down, but yes. You might think, oh yeah, it's that. Well, don't buy into that so easily, right? Uh, what could actually what could I what it could do that would shake most people out, right? Is something like that. Shoot up, straight up, something like that. One more time, yes. Then maybe shoot up, shoot down. I just this is all profit theory, right? It's designed to shake people off the market. And then after that, then it's gonna go. So one long side. Then of course, on hindsight, you say, "Oh yeah, that was what it was." But the truth is, people who don't understand how to actually day trade decent upside, even if the forecast is there, it will be tough for them to actually understand how to trade it, basically, right? So as you can see here, buy, right? See the green arrow, buy. So um, likewise, what I'm saying now is, um, if you see something like this, like this, like this, like that, this is a five ways, what they call the Elliott wave. And usually it means if you see some kind of reason to sell, you can sell it down. But and this one could be a one, two, and then it comes down again one more time. People who thought this was going to go because they want to go and make their millions, right? Yeah, we'll stop them out again right here. That would be real nice, real nice. Stop them all out because they thought it was going to go, but this didn't happen. Profit theory says whack these guys, take the buy. So that's what you look for. That's what you want actually, right? Well, of course, if they're really smart, and they see this, then if they are smart traders, maybe they are the I don't know, they might be the 2% in the world. When this one shoots up there, from here to there, oh, let's say it does at 1, 2, 3, or 5. Look down here, they exit. Okay, good trader, good trader, smart guy. Right. If it goes, then from here, then we'll see what happens. Because anything up or down, it's pure speculation from that point on. Basically. Yeah. So I'm going to be drinking and just eating some nuts. I'll do this chart for myself. Okay. So Doge, I think 0.55, good place to exit. Good place to exit. Maybe I exit and then see where it goes. If it comes back down again, like something nasty, good place to buy again. At least pay has something to show for the trade first. Right. But still, generally, good buy. Or anything in the lows. So this one's actually a good buy as well. Good correlation with Bitcoin as well. Um, yeah. So see, this one could be a one, two, three, one, two, three. This one could keep going, something like this. Hmm, possible. Maybe not so high. Possible. This no, but then to keep it further, I think just take some off first. You could even take off 60%, 70% up here and see where the rest goes. Um, so Cardano, mm, see the looks are also similar. If you go and look at the looks, right? Just by the look of it, look at this sharp move up, sharp move down, up, then sideways. Sharp move up, sharp move down, move up, sideways. See, they are a mirror image of each other. Look at this big move down. This big move down here. See how it correlates. When this one came down, Bitcoin came down as well. See, the complete correlation. So you better you know, believe that there's no need to invest in everything. Just it move basically the same way. Mm, but still all upside. I think Cardano, if somehow it gets up to here, you know, around this level, what I want to see is I want this to come collapse. Profit theory, take out all whack all those people who think it's gonna go to the moon. You need to whack them out. Whack them one time. Oh, that'd be perfect. Come here, whack them. Slowly start to crawl like that. Don't miss this one. Bloody hell, just stuff like that change lives. All right. So, big time factor. Just gotta wait. All right. Time factor trading. 21 days. No, it's okay. You can wait. You know, no problem. Wait about a month. It means not trading every day. Just wait about a month. Big money will come. Or time, just time it well. You time it well. Good timing. Make 30-40% in one move. Mm. I'm just gonna enjoy my nuts. So that's the crypto. Look for the buys. Look for profit theory. Hmm. So you're in the buys. Oh, this is important. So this levels over here. This levels over here. Gotta take note of all this. Gonna face resistance once it gets there. Yeah. So yeah. Let me just look very quickly at this stock over here, 0.5. The reason why I want to show this is also, I think, just like oil and just like silver, yeah, just look at how this, just look at this, right? Something that I often mention. See how it comes sharp and then sideways like this? This kind of sideways move, and then suddenly what happens? Bomb! Big money. 30, 40, 50% return. Okay? So that's why when I describe this, when I describe this, is basically what I'm saying about Doge. Right? I've mentioned it on silver. I mentioned it on. You'll see it on pound yen. You can give them so many examples like this. Right? You just speak 30%, 40%. May not even have to work for the rest of the year. Right? Um, so basically, if this one happens to go up, comes back down, something like that. If it could come down like this, real sharp, boom, sideways, and then comes to this lows, buy it, man. Life will change. So that's what you want. That's what you want, basically. Okay. But right now, just look um, at this top here. This top here, the big stop, anything can happen. Take some and see where it goes. Right? Okay. So that's crypto. Looking real good. Yeah. This kind of Tesla stock. Also, the movement is a little bit funky, but essentially what you want is this one basically to end. You want this to basically end somehow. That would be perfect. Boom, up, one up as well. So people who buy here, I think, are the early buys. People who got in early. I don't think um, it's not a bad idea to buy it this low, but just be prepared for it to come even lower and put the early buy here under pressure. But Elon Musk's not gonna go anywhere. He count on him to change the world. So they're all good buys, I think. Tesla. Just buy some at the lows and just keep basically. Yeah. So crypto is good. Mm, okay. Let's go look at the DEX. Oh, I think I did mention the DEX here. So let me just, yeah, over here. So this trades that we have are all pretty long term, right? They're all measured in days, weeks, months, right? So so over here, see the DEX. From here, once it breaks this high, anywhere here it can turn. Right? So it could break high, it can be here, or it goes up here, it can be here, basically. But essentially, the main thing is once this we have this move, you're looking for any point in time, right, for this to come back down, basically. So which is what happened. Basically that's it. Yeah. So over here, these levels over here, not surprised it goes back there, get orders because it's profit theory, right? The push was over here. There was a push over here. So price goes back to where the push first happened. Uh, this trend line, there was a break here. There was a break here. Break of the trend line. Right. So candle consolidation goes back up, comes back down. Right. So now that we're over here, now it's at the problem area again. Right. Um, so over here, all good places for sell, basically. But once you're here, not such a good place to sell anymore, right? And the reason for that is because you never know if this goes up like this, comes down like this, goes up on profit theory, take out those people who thought this was going to go down, and then this one comes down. So over here, when you see the lows here, it's time to move stops or the trail or just see where it goes and see whether it comes back down. It's whether the DEX comes down. So now it's just cruise control. Whatever happens, happens. You can go play golf, play tennis, just play play some video games, or go to the gym or whatever. But just let this play out because this could go anywhere. From a technical perspective, it can go anywhere really. But what you want is for this to drop actually. Just drop straight through for the DEX. So if the DEX drops, perfect. It means uh, the correlation would mean that the euro dollar will go up, which is what we want. There you go. Which is what you want here. Correlation, very important. So, boing. If you saw my blog, well, it, once it starts to come here into this zone here, you gotta look for the buy already. Don't think that this is trending down. No, it's not trending down. It's just that looking for this up, basically. So good. Doing so it's just nothing much to do. Actually, a lot of trading is just looking at swing trading is just looking at chart. When you enter the trade, then just don't do anything. Just leave it. Just leave it. Problem, well, of course, the problem with your dollar is that the swap is negative to the upside. So, but the money is good. Or I just don't do not doing nothing is just as important as no you do nothing, you allow the trade to play out. Right? No, I'm just letting the trade play out. That's all. I have to force myself to play video games so that you don't go and meddle with the trade. It's going up nice. Okay. Everything is everything is nice. Very nice. What's this? A ghost nut trend. Hmm. Idea is if the dollar is weak, goes up. But that's not really true. It's not really true. But again, a nice some pullback for more upside is a good idea. Right. 345. Hmm. Do not buy gold until it pulls back. Must give a nice pullback. 1816. I mean, it needs to pull back, then it can go again. So gold there's no buy on it. Just the way to trade gold now is not do anything. Right? Not because we're not scalpers, right? Not scalpers. Okay, so now all the swing trades are about doing nothing, either waiting for trades to mature or staying out of the trades. Right? Waiting for trades to mature, meaning that not taking profit too early, and staying out of trades so that we don't trade randomly. What else? So let's euro dollar. Mm, oh yeah, let's go look at pound yen. I was looking at this morning. This one, quite nice. Yeah. So we actually managed to forecast this up, this down, and this up. Okay, this whole move was forecasted. If you checked our my past videos. It hit the trade too. Okay. Um. Oh, anybody's guess? Yeah. Well, this can go anywhere. So it already hit the trade too, right? Yeah. Pound yen buy. Okay. Good. Okay. So, I mean, is this possible? One, two. Wow. That I can't say for sure because there's a lot of ways this could move as well. This can be one correction, and then you never know if it just comes down again, right? You never know that. That's not something that I know. So I would say pound yen. This is swinging for the fences, but you just gotta go look at this and see what's going on in there. So play by ear. So forget about the big swing that may or may not play out the swing to the upside. But let's just go look. Let me just see what it's about. Mm, it's upside. There is no sell on this. Not any sell that I can see. Yeah, it's upside for now. Um, let me just see what this is. Okay. Well, in that case, convenience you can call this an expanding flat. Something like that. One, two, three. One, two, one, two, three. Four. Okay. Okay. So you do have movement like that. One, two, three, four. And this is a fifth wave. There must be some sell on pound yen coming. Yeah, there will be a sell on this. So there's no buy on this anymore. Yeah, there will be a sell. Three, four, five. Mm, so you're looking for a move down on the pound yen. Okay, so don't buy the pound yen anymore. But it's trending. No, you, everywhere a trend comes to an end. So I would say pound yen looking for a sell. One move down, maybe break this low. Okay, so that's a daily. Mm, uh, let's go look at the 4 hour. Divergence here. Divergence. Oh, you have that divergence over here. Hold on. For that doesn't work. Let's go daily. Okay, so let's go 4 hour. 4 hour, you have one, two, three waves. Okay, so if you do get some head and shoulder pattern here, let's say it goes up and then it comes, price action comes, maybe comes down like that, right? You can sell it down like this. So at least you have your shoulder, like something like that. You see, shoulder like this. Yeah, could try that. So you like to see maybe one more up on the pound yen. Look for some head and shoulder pattern to come down. Right. Yeah, that makes sense. So pound yen to sell. Okay. Let me just 3, 4, 5. So you're looking for a move back down to the 148 region, 147, 148 region. Yeah, pound yen to sell. Look for the turn. You can use RSI double top. That's fine too. Okay. Pound yen. So pound yen sell. Hmm. Okay, great. Oh, we got one trade right there. One trade idea right there. So while stuff like euro dollar, all these are progressing, you want some quick trade to the downside. Pound yen, the pound yen trade is there. So Doge is going nicely too. Leave it. And let's go look at what else to look at. Let's go look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, what are you doing? So this looks a little bit harrowing actually. This looks harrowing. Yeah. Let me just look at the 4 hour. Yeah, okay. The sideways move looks down, I must say. So downside look to it. Yeah, okay. So four, let's go daily. Okay, so need consolidation here, you can look for the sell. Let's go for let's go look three. Let's see what's going on 3 hour time frame. No, let's go 1 hour. Now we're talking, baby. Okay, yeah, possible. It breaks. Any pullbacks you can sell like this. Possible. So dollar yen, dollar goes down. In line with the deck sell too, actually. If the dollar down, dollar is down. Yeah, dollar yen sell. Yeah, dollar yen sell. Dollar weakness, no buys on no dollar weakness, correct. So buys on the euro dollars, pound dollars, or good the Aussie dollar. Let's check dollar weakness. So you want strength on the euro dollar, strength on pound dollar is I think it's upside. Looks all up actually. So this red color is no good. Running flat. Oh, running flat means more up actually. Uh, Challenging these highs over here. Really wants to go challenge it actually. So yeah, we hope a dollar weakness actually. Okay, perfect. And there we have it. We have all the trade ideas for the 2nd of June. S&P is doing well, nice and creepy, typical S&P. I think a lot of people don't understand. They think a strong move and they think not a strong move. Yeah. See, it doesn't work, right? So, especially for S&P. So don't buy into the hype. Don't buy into the hype. Right? Believe in know when to use it, when not to use it. Impulse correction, impulse. This is failure rate. S&P just creeping up. So we have now. Just follow the trend line. So the trend line. So then if it comes pulls back, it can go up again. So follow the trend line. Uh, hmm. Profit theory. Wow. This looks. This looks like it wants to go up, man. But time factor, it's going to be pretty long. June, July, August. How long did this take? Get from here to there. Actually, you buy this in about a month. Okay, gonna buy and keep. Edit. Let's go look what one last one. Let's go look at ooh, gold. Gold is all upside. Gold is all upside. What's this? So yeah, gold is upside. So daily, weekly. So we have gold. Gold is poised to break 2,000. Man. The question is, do they want to shake people out of the market? Let's go look. Hmm. This is a difficult trade, I would say. Difficult trading. Hmm. Because the entry is tough for this guy. Entry is tough. You gotta wait for a pullback. No choice. Needs a certain pullback. See, it's pullback in the past. This amount. It's pullback. So all these pullbacks are going to be quite important as reference. So you basically want it to pull back. At any point in time, you crawl, you pull back one time, and then that's when you can buy. Break to break 2K. Go. There's no sell on go. No sell on go. It's trending up. See, it's above all the moving averages, so you don't want to sell this stuff, man. You only want to buy go. Okay? So go is settled. Looking, waiting. Good traders must wait. Wait for the trade to come to them, right? Yeah, perfect. Very, very good. So, all right. I wish everybody good luck in your trading. Don't follow the news. If you're a good technical trader, be good at technical trading and be the 1% who are good at this business. Take care.